गुड मॉर्निंग ऑल ऑफ यू। आज हम डिक्टेशन लिखने वाले हैं दिल्ली हाई कोर्ट एसपीए की 110 डब्ल्यूपीएम की, और जो स्पीड है वो एग्जैक्ट 110 रहेगी। सो बी रेडी फॉर द डिक्टेशन। Start. This appeal by special leave is at the instance of a convict accused and is directed against the judgment and order dated 28 February 2014 passed by the High Court of Delhi in Criminal Appeal number 1246 of 2011, by which the High Court dismissed the appeal and thereby affirmed the judgment and order of conviction dated 8 April 2011 and the order on sentence of life imprisonment dated 27 April 2011, reply passed by the additional sessions judge Rohini Delhi in the sessions case number 998 of 2009, holding the appellant convict herein guilty for the offences punishable under sections 302 and 397, reply read with section 34 of the Indian Penal Code. The appellant convict, along with three other co-accused, was put to trial in the court of the Additional Sessions Judge Northwest, Rohini, Delhi, for the offences punishable under sections 392, 411, read with section 34 of the IPC. On 16 August 2008 at about 3:30 in the early morning, the PW1, namely Sushil Kumar, along with his friend and his brother Pradeep Kumar, PW4, were at the Azadpur Sabji Mandi, Para. They were at the Azadpur Sabji Mandi for the purpose of purchasing vegetables. After purchasing vegetables from the D block corner of the Azadpur Sabji Mandi, they proceeded towards the main gate. When the PW1 and his friend Pappu reached near the STD PCO at the D block corner, they were cornered by the four accused persons who were put to trial. These four accused persons, according to the case of the prosecution, included the appellant herein also. Two of the accused persons snatched away rupees 14,800 from the pocket of the PW1. The two accused persons who snatched away the money from the pocket of the PW1. When the PW1 resisted, the other two accused persons, armed with ice picks, attacked him and his friend Pappu. The appellant convict and co-accused are alleged to have caused injuries with their respective ice picks on the body of the PW1 as well as his friend Pappu Para after robbing, and in the process of causing injuries, all the four accused ran away from the place of occurrence. When PW1 saw Pappu lying in an injured condition, both received help from the PCR officials and were taken to the hospital. Pappu ultimately succumbed to the injuries he suffered and died at the hospital. The PW1 was also admitted in the hospital. The PW1 lodged the first information report number 186 of 2008 on 16 August 2008 in connection with the incident as narrated above. Upon the FIR being registered as referred to above, the investigation started on 17 August 2008. Pursuant to the secret information, the three co-accused were arrested from the DDA Park, South Azadpur, Delhi. The appellant convict herein came to be arrested on 20 August 2008. Para. In the course of the investigation, the investigating officer decided to hold the test identification parade of the accused persons. However, it is the case of the prosecution that the appellant convict herein declined to participate in the test identification parade on the ground that he was already shown to the witnesses in the police station. It is also the case of the prosecution that after the arrest of the appellant convict, he made a statement that he would be in a position to show the weapon of offense which he had placed in one corner of his house.